Okay, calculate the current in a parallel circuit with 3 resistors. Okay, so you are given the following circuits. You have to find I1, I2, I3. Okay, so this question can be solved using two methods as shown below. We are going to use two methods to solve this question. Okay, we have to find I1, I2, and I3. Okay, we are going to use two methods. Okay, the first one, solution, use the following formula. Okay, use the following formula. The voltage is equal to the current times the resistance. Okay, because the voltage is the same across each branch in a parallel circuit. Okay, the voltage is the same across each branch in a parallel circuit. Okay, in a parallel circuit, the voltage is the same across each branch. Okay, so this is why you can use this formula, because the voltage is the same across each branch in a parallel circuit. Okay, so you need the total current. Okay, so you have the total current. Okay, the total current is equal to 15 amperes. Okay, now you need the total resistance. Okay, you have 3 resistors in parallel. Okay, R1, R2, R3. 3 resistors in parallel. So you are going to use this formula. Okay, so 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1. R1 is equal to 2 ohms. Okay, 1 over 2 plus 1 over R2. R2 is equal to 5 ohms. Okay, 1 over 5 plus 1 over R3. R3 is equal to 3 ohms. Okay, 1 over 3. 1 over Rp is equal to, you can use your calculator. So you have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 3. This is equal to 31 over 30. Okay, 31 over 30. Okay, so this is 1 over Rp. You need Rp. So Rp, the total resistance of these resistors in parallel. This is equal to, you are going to flip. So 30 over 31 ohms. Okay, so you have the total current, the total resistance. Now you can calculate the voltage. Okay, the voltage is equal to the current times the total resistance. Okay, this is equal to 450 over 31 volt. Okay, let's keep the voltage as a fraction. Okay, the voltage is the same across each branch in a parallel circuit. Now we are going to find I1. I1 is equal to find I1, you can divide by resistance on both sides so that you can have the current alone. So you divide by resistance on both sides so that you can cancel. Okay, and then you remain with the current alone. Okay, so the current is equal to voltage over R1. Okay, so to find I1, you are going to use R1. Okay, so we carry on. This is equal to, you have the voltage. Okay, over R1. R1 is equal to 2. This is equal to, you can use your calculator. So you have this, okay, divide by 2. This is equal to 7.3, okay, 7.3 amperes, okay, to 1 decimal place, 7.3 amperes. Now I2 is equal to V over R2. Okay, to find I2, you are going to use R2. So this is equal to V over R2. R2 is equal to 5. Okay, this is equal to, you are going to have 2.9. Okay, 2.9 amperes. Now I3 is equal to V over R3. Okay, this is equal to V, this is V over R3. R3 is equal to 3. This is equal to, you are going to have 4.8 amperes. Okay, so you have I1, I2, I3. You can add, you are going to have 15 amperes. Okay, let's check. 7.3 plus 2.9 plus 4.8, you have 15 amperes. Okay, the 15 amperes split part of the current flows on this branch, another part of the current flows on this branch, another part of the current flows on this branch. They are going to join at this point, and then you are going to have 15 amperes again. Okay, so we are done with one method. Let's see another method. Okay, so another method, you are going to use the following formula to find I1. I1 is equal, you are going to use this formula. Can you see? This is the way we add resistors in parallel. Okay, so when you are calculating I1, you are going to have 1 over R1 in the numerator. Okay, when you are calculating I1, you are going to have 1 over R1 in the numerator. Okay, so I1 is equal to total current 15 amperes times 1 over R1. Okay, R1 is equal to 2 ohms. 1 over 2 over 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. Okay, plus 1 over R3. Okay, so this is equal to, you can use your calculator. So 15 times, you are going to have 7.3 amperes. 7.3 amperes. Okay, 7.3 amperes. Okay, now I2, you are going to use this formula, the same formula. Okay, the same formula. To find I2, the same formula. Okay, so when you are calculating I2, you are going to have 1 over R2 in the numerator. Okay, when you are calculating I2, you are going to have 1 over R2 in the numerator. Okay, so this is equal to 15. Okay, total current terms. Now you are going to have 1 over R2. Okay, 1 over 5 over the same thing. Okay, you are going to have 2.9. Okay, 2.9 amperes. Now I3, the same formula. Okay, when you are calculating I3, you are going to have 1 over R3 in the numerator. This is equal to total current, okay, times 1 over R3. R3 is equal to 3 ohms. Okay, 1 over 3 over the same thing. Okay, this is equal to you're going to have 4.8. Okay, 4.8 amperes. Okay, so can you see the same values? Okay, so we are done with this question.